We're not gonna stay here all day.
I can't come and support and be great because people are rushing me. Trying to take advantage of this VIP sale and people are rushing me. I can't be great in here. I can't be great. Okay, y'all, so I'm here at the gym this morning and I forgot to take this off. But I haven't eaten or anything. I did drink some water and coffee, so this is, I guess, technically one of those fasting workouts or whatever. Anyway, so as I was saying, I left my gum, I left my lip gloss, so my lips are going to be kind of chapped and all that good jazz. But I'm about to go out here and get my workout on anyway. Today is Monday and it's Veterans Day, so I didn't have to go to work. But I did not work out yesterday, and Sunday technically is the start of my week. Sunday through Thursday, and then Friday I do my upload. So I'm about to go out here and work out. And I'm going to do legs today because I still can't find my gloves for my hands, for arms. So I'm probably going to have to go and buy another pair of gloves because I can't callus up my hands.
On the playground is where I spent most of my days.
Laying on the track, laying on the track, laying on the track.
All outside of school, and a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged and pleaded with her, up to no good. Open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, gave me my ticket, I put my Walkman on the bed. I might as well catch it with over here. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Catch it with over here. Born and raised on the playground. Catch it with over here. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Catch it with over here. Born and raised on the playground.
Okay, so I'm in my car and I'm on my way home, and I'm leaving Dunkin' Donuts, and I know I said I had a drink this morning, a coffee this morning, but I am just a little bit hungry. I gotta remember to look at the names, but I'm just a little bit hungry, and I have a lunch date at noon with one of my friends / colleagues, and I just don't want to eat right now, because if I eat right now, then I know I won't eat when we go out, and he's treating me. So when you're being treated, girl, you got to get that food. So anyway, this is so good. Pumpkin French vanilla latte. It's giving me life. It's probably got more carbs than what I want, but it's okay. I'll make up for it.
All right, y'all, good morning. It is 3:42 in the morning and I'm at the gym. I could not sleep well, so I got on up and came to the gym. So let's get this workout done.
Born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Let's do it over here. Born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Let's do it over here. Born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Let's do it over here. Born and raised. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight and my mom got scared. I kissed her and she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on the bed. I might as well catch it over here. Born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Let's do it over here. Born and raised. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged and pleaded with her, up to no good. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days.
Laying on the track, laying on the track, laying on the track.
All outside of school, and a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged and pleaded with her, up to no good.
I am done. I ended up doing like 33 minutes and that is enough for this morning. I'm kind of hungry, but I can't eat right now because it's too early for breakfast. I may drink a protein shake today. I don't know. I hadn't had a protein shake in probably about, oh my gosh. I know it's been over a month. So anyway, I'm about to get out of here, go home, take a shower, so I can get ready for work. Y'all, excuse me. I know, I have darkness under my eyes, and I point this out sometimes, but I am very tired. I haven't been sleeping well lately. Well, sleeping long. Let me put it that way, because I go to bed, and my body is just like set to get up at a certain time, I guess, and or if there's something on my mind. Right? For instance, last night I went to sleep with something on my mind, and that's what woke me up early. And I don't like to go to sleep with something on my mind because it's like my mind can't rest. It can't be at ease. But I'm going to take care of the situation today, and hopefully, you know, I'll be good to go tonight. But yeah, sometimes it's just, it's life. And then it's around progress report time, and I have this thing to where even though my students haven't stepped up to the bar to do what they're supposed to do, I hate to have a high number of failures, because, you know, as teachers, sometimes we are made to feel like we're the failure versus the students failing themselves. And or like we're failing the students versus the students failing themselves. And what people fail to realize, a lot of times in a lot of cases, and y'all, I'm gonna learn what to look at in this camera, but a lot of times in a lot of cases, the students just are not coming up to par and the parents are not making them. So it can be very taxing on a teacher, you know, when you're doing and you're trying and you want the very best for your students, but it doesn't seem like it's reciprocated in the same way.
All right, so what's up, ladies? Today is Thursday, and this week started off so strong. I mean, like, I started off super duper strong, but as the week went on, I'm not even gonna lie, if I'm being honest doing these vlogs, as the week went on, things just went down the drain. I mean, totally down the drain. Monday, my workout was on and popping. I sweated a lot. I worked out. I mean, I felt it all up in my shoulders and my muscles. And let me tell y'all, I feel some definition. I will say that. I feel some definition coming in. I know it's not because of the last 2 weeks. It's because of my overall, everything, you know, the little definition is coming in. So I'm very proud of that. But, and then Tuesday morning, as you'll see in the clip, I was at the gym pretty early. It was just not a good, my Monday night was not a good Monday night. And when I have things on my mind, it just messes up my whole flow, my whole feng shui, so to speak. So I'm not a person that does good with having things that weigh heavily on my mind. But as the week went on, things got better, and definitely next week is going to be better because I'm out for the Thanksgiving holiday break. And y'all, I hope there's not too much vibrating. I'm leaving my aunt's house, and the street spot where she lives at, the streets are like horrible. I mean, this just horrible. They need to do some work over here. But anyway, so with that being said, I have plans, or I had plans of working out this afternoon, but I'm just going to be totally honest. I really just don't even feel like working out, so I don't even know if I'm going to work out today. I'm thinking about just going home and editing this, starting to edit this video, as well as starting to edit my video for Sunday. Because there's, I don't know whether you count onto the pattern Friday and Sunday, but editing my videos and getting them ready, and just, you know, eating me some dinner and just pretty much overall chilling. Yeah, that's kind of like where my plan is, because I just kind of just don't feel like it. I'm like not having the vibe. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. And it's not a complaint. It's not a complaint. But these lines right here, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if you can see them really good, but these lines right here in my face, like, I could not, they weren't prominent when my face was fuller, but it's like now. And then sometimes they cause my makeup to crack there a little bit, but today was a great makeup day. Let me put it that way. I don't even know whether it's looking great to you all, but today was a great makeup day, and my hair was a great hair day. But anyway, that beside the point. So like I said, next week I'm just hoping and praying that next week is a lot better. Saturday I'll definitely go to the gym. Tomorrow I know I won't be going to the gym because I'm meeting a friend. My allergies are really messing up, and then this weather is not helping it. But tomorrow I'm meeting a friend of mine for a dinner at 5 o'clock. So we're gonna have dinner. So I know I'm not gonna be working out, because once I get through having dinner, and probably while I'm there I may have a cocktail. I don't know. Can't say 2 because I don't usually drink 2 drinks. I'm just not that person that does the 2 and 3 drinks and all that good jazz. I'm not the one. So I'll just be doing, I know, 1 drink if I have a drink. So, but with that being said, Saturday morning or at some point during Saturday, I should be able to work out. And then, you know, my week starts over on Sunday. And so I'm off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm off all of next week because of the Thanksgiving holiday. And so Thanksgiving, of course, is Thursday. And I know Planet Fitness will be closing. But
I can still work out at home. So that's no problem. So yeah, but I'm just looking and hoping that next week and even the week after next will be better as far as my eating. Just like my workouts have been crappy, my eating has been crappy. Monday and Tuesday, my eating started off great. It's almost like they coincide. On the days that I work out and get a bomb workout in, my eating goes like hand in hand with it. And on the days where I don't work out, and then my eating is crappy, and you know. And today I had a couple of donuts. A couple of donuts, not one, but 2 donuts. Or did I have 3? Heck, I might have had 3. I don't even know. They were so damn good and soft. And I even had a Sunkist orange soda, and early in the week I had a Sprite. And I do so good with not drinking sodas, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I'm just being honest. If I'm gonna be doing these vlogs, I mean, I need to be honest about it. So I gotta work on that, having those weak moments, because you know I do have those moments where I just give in to temptation. And how I ended up having the donuts is because I sold donuts for a fundraiser, and I picked those donuts up today, and they were so soft, hot, fresh, just so good. So good. Did I say so good? Yes, they were so good. So yeah, I did. That was the gist of that. And y'all, I'm sorry about this little vibration that I have going on, like I said. And so hopefully everything will be smooth sailing from here. Oh, and I'm actually recording on my phone. I have the mount for the new camera, vlogging camera I got. And now that I think the recording is doing better on my phone, I thought about going to take the vlogging camera back, but Babe was like, no, just keep the camera. So I'm going to keep that camera. But it also does come in handy because when I'm at the gym and I use my phone for music, you know, I can't record on it and use it for music. So that's pretty much the gist of that. And is there anything else that I want to say? So hopefully next week will be better, and I'm still going to wait in the morning, and I just hope that I haven't gained any weight. And if I have, I just got to deal with that, but I'm hoping I haven't, because I have been moving. I just haven't worked out every day, but I have been moving as far as walking around at work and all that stuff. So, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we'll see what I weigh and how things go this week. So there you have it, the 3rd weekend in a row that I'm at this same weight. So that lets me know I gotta get the ball rolling.